Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the slow internet problem on your Android device. So if you're having this issue, I'm going to be showing you how to fix this in this video. So firstly, if you are connected using your mobile network, all you just have to do is to scroll down to your notification center and turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. So this is going to be helping you to refresh your network connectivity. And if this is not fixing the issue, I advise you change the location where you are at. Maybe the location you are, the network is bad. And if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, all you just have to do is to reset the router and make sure you are close to the router, because if you are far from the router and you are having just a bar or two bar of the router network, your network speed is going to be poor. So that is how you can easily do this, guys. If you have further questions in this video, feel free to drop it in the comment section below and I'm going to be answering all of them. Do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you find this video very helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.